Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that this is based on my personal experience with SwapSpace. SwapSpace, https://swapspace.co, offers a convenient platform for exchanging cryptocurrencies without needing to create an account. The site aggregates rates from various exchanges, allowing you to compare and select the best deal for your swap. This streamlined approach eliminates the complexities of registering on multiple platforms and simplifies the overall trading process. You simply choose the cryptocurrencies you want to exchange, specify the amount, and SwapSpace presents you with a range of offers from different providers. The platform supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, maximizing flexibility for users. One of SwapSpace's standout features is its focus on user privacy. By not requiring account creation, the platform minimizes the amount of personal information collected, providing users with a greater sense of security. This is a particularly attractive feature for those who prioritize anonymity and data protection within the crypto space. This commitment to privacy enhances the overall user experience, making it more accessible and less intimidating for those new to cryptocurrency trading. Furthermore, the absence of registration speeds up the process significantly, allowing for quick and efficient exchanges. With its intuitive interface and clear presentation of information, SwapSpace is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. The site clearly displays exchange rates, fees, and estimated transaction times, enabling users to make informed decisions. This transparency contributes to a trustworthy environment, ensuring users understand the full costs and implications of their transactions before proceeding. The simplified exchange process eliminates unnecessary steps and confusion, making it a straightforward platform for both novice and experienced crypto traders. For anyone looking for a quick, private, and easy way to exchange crypto, SwapSpace is definitely worth considering. Remember to check the description for the link.